Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage number 36-079-018 in a 622 finish is what this is. This is a blocking ring in a matte black finish in a 3/16 of an inch thickness. A very typical piece of equipment that you're going to use on cylinder applications, namely mortise cylinders installed on doors where the length of the cylinder is simply longer than the application demands. And that might be a restriction based on the length of the cylinder that you need is available in. For instance, maybe you're doing a 7-pin interchangeable core cylinder installation, and those cylinders are generally longer. And 3/16 may not be the right size for a blocking ring of that nature, but that indeed is where you'll encounter it. An outside diameter of the blocking ring is 1.369. 1.369. Going to have an inside dimension of 1.157. 1.157. And it's going to have a thickness of 0.193. 0.193. So just heavy on 1/8 inch. 0.193. So again, a typical installation is where you need to fill the distance from the underside of the head to the face of the door or the hardware, whatever you're installing the cylinder onto. Maybe it's an alarm bypass or a key switch, things of that nature. Black. Sure, if you have black hardware, you're going to want your ring to be in black as well. And yeah, I feel like I said 1/8 of an inch earlier. This is 3/16. I'm looking at the description, thinking in my head I just said 0.193. That's heavy on 3/16. This is a 3/16 ring. If I had said 1/8 of an inch earlier, I apologize. So a good installation of this is going to be where the ring, after you've installed the cylinder, if it's a mortise cylinder or a rim cylinder as well, you will want this to be snug on the door, but you'd actually like it to turn a little bit. Not so that it rattles, of course, but a good installation would be is if I were to try to attack the head of the cylinder with a pipe wrench and spin it off to be able to remove that cylinder and stick my finger in there and work the lock. You want them to grab that cylinder head first and rotate that. And that sort of attack would be something you'd see in an aluminum storefront door where where a break-in might be possible, of course. Probably not going to put a pipe wrench on well, anything, I suppose, but if you're doing a key switch, you may not expect an attack of that nature. Because a key switch is not locking the door itself. It might be bypassing an alarm. But the point of the matter is a good installation would be so that this would turn. You've got revolutions on that mortise cylinder, and you may not get the key exactly vertical by the time that this is, utterly snug, and that might be okay. So that's where you'd want to use it. There is a link below this video to a document called Technical Drawing that will allow you to review the literal technical drawing provided to me by the factory. There is then a chart below this video to blocking and compression rings. It's a comprehensive part number with links to those individual items that will permit you easy access to get to the other types that thicknesses or the other type that you may need. Obviously available in all of the finishes that Schlage locks are available, and this again is the black or 622 finish. Not incredibly common, but you will run into black locks ever so often. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Schlage 36-079-018-622 blocking ring in matte black 3/16 or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.